My name is John McAllister for EDSU 531, and this is my micro-peer teaching lesson. In this lesson, I would review the orders of operation with my class, starting with a simple problem, such as this. Once I have written this on the board, I would remind them that we first, in order to solve the problem, we would start with the parentheses. From the parentheses, we would move on to exponents. From exponents, we would move on to multiplication and division in order from left to right. In this instance, there's no division, so we would only stick with the one multiplication problem. After we have solved any multiplication and division, we would move on to addition and or subtraction, and we would also do whatever comes first in order from left to right. Once we have solved that, we've come up with the solution, which is a -2, and our order of operations is PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, and subtraction. Once I have reviewed order of operations, I would hand out everyone in the class a blank bingo card that they can fill out on their own. Each bingo card would be filled out randomly with 5 numbers from 1 to 10 in B column, 5 random numbers from 11 to 20 in the I column, 5 numbers of 21 through 30 in the N column, 5 random numbers of 31 through 40 in the G column, and last 41 through 50 in the O column. Once the students have filled out their bingo cards individually, I would randomly call out problems that correspond with that have answers corresponding in 1 through 50. I obviously wouldn't give them the answers, but I would randomly pick any one of these from a hat, read the problem, and give the students about 1 to 2 minutes to solve each question. And once the students have bingo, whether it's down, horizontal, diagonal, 4 corners, blackout, however we decide to choose the game, is when the game ends. This game can be kept. We can even laminate the bingo cards, and the teachers can, after every game, change their expression problems out so that students don't become complacent with the same questions every single time it's played. It's a good warm-up. It's a good reminder and review for order of operations, and it would also work well in the instance in case you have a substitute teacher in your class.